In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a funnel in Mixpanel. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along inside your own workspace without getting lost. A funnel report in Mixpanel is useful when you want to understand how people move through a sequence of actions, like viewing a page, starting a sign-up, and then completing a key conversion event. Once you know where users continue and where they drop off, it becomes much easier to improve the experience. To begin, go to one of your boards in Mixpanel. Boards are a convenient place to organize and view reports, so starting there helps keep your analysis structured from the beginning. When you're inside the board, move your cursor over the board area. On the left side, you'll see a plus icon appear. Click that plus sign to open the report options available for that board. From the menu that appears, choose the Funnels report option. As soon as you do that, Mixpanel will create a new funnel report for you inside the board. This gives you a starting point right away, and from there you can customize the report based on the journey you want to analyze. After the funnel report opens, look over to the metrics panel on the right-hand side. This is where you'll make your edits and define the steps in the funnel. If you want to build out the sequence, click to add a step, then select the event you want to track for that part of the journey. You can continue adjusting the steps to reflect the path you care about most. As you add and edit those steps, Mixpanel will use your available event data to populate the funnel. If your project already has data coming in for those events, you'll start to see the report take shape. That means you'll be able to review how users progress from one step to the next and identify where conversions are strong or where users may be dropping off. A helpful tip here is to be intentional about the events you choose. Your funnel will only be as useful as the steps you define, so make sure each step represents a meaningful action in the user journey. If the data is already being tracked correctly, Mixpanel will surface it for you automatically in the report. And that's really it. You start from a board, click the plus sign on the left, choose a funnels report, and then edit the metrics on the right to add your funnel steps. Once your data is available, you'll be able to see the funnel and begin analyzing performance right away.